In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off standby mode on your iPhone. Standby mode is a feature that activates when your iPhone is set down and charging. It allows you to easily view notifications and the time without having to unlock your device. However, some people may prefer to turn off this mode for various reasons. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Standby. And now, to completely turn off the standby mode on your iPhone, simply toggle off this switch over here. This is exactly how you can turn off standby mode on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.